ze iemand nodig hebben voor een stuk slang te knippen. Ja. Nee. Ja.
12 euro.
Met de kaart alsjeblieft. Nee, met... Nee. We've got the goods. I hope so. There was a 6mm one and a 9mm one, but I think I need 8mm. So I didn't know what to do, so I asked and they didn't know either, so I took the 9, hoping that will work. Otherwise, yeah, to go back or something. But the 6 really looked too small, so we'll see. So now it's just a simple ride back home and then check out how to do it. I noticed when I got to the shop that my mic was like on the floor, so I don't know if you hear the first part, but basically I'm trying to change my own brake fluid on my, not on this bike but on the other bike. The back brake doesn't work anymore. I checked and there's no fluid left. So since the bike isn't registered anymore, I thought I would try it myself. And upon trying, I realized I don't have everything I needed. So I just did a quick run to the shop for a hose and like a wrench. That should be everything. I'm going back home. Yeah, to see if it works. Maybe check a couple YouTube videos first. And then you guys probably see it for yourself. So until then. So I believe something else is wrong because this isn't doing anything. So I'll just try to take the brake caliper off. Ja,
Achtervrij.
ik dacht eerst dat de remvloeistof was, maar blijkbaar niet te helpen, dus ik ben gewoon een keer aan het uit elkaar aan het halen.
Ja, ja. Maar ik heb ook een motor of zo, dus zeker. Ja. Maar je moet niet verder.
Ja,
Hier in de boek, ja.
dat is hier van ik.
Ah ja, hier van hier, ja.
Ja.
Look hier.
Ja,
Nee, tot mij 20.
ja, precies. So yeah, in the end we didn't manage to fix it, but we'll try again some other day, maybe after I did some more research. So yeah, see you later. Bye.